I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna shoot him. Yeah. Should I go or should I fight this war? I'm gonna go away. So I get it. Back home. Back home. Let's go to sleep. Which one should I pick? This one. They're sleeping. That's a lot of guns. I'm gonna take them. Looks good. Where's our guns? Where's our guns? There's only 2 bullets. It's that guy we're gonna fight. Oh. Who is it? Did you take our guns? No. Who took my guns? I don't know. Okay. That was close. They look suspicious. Yeah. Let's stalk on him. Yeah. There he is. I stole their guns. He stole our guns. Yeah. Let's get him. Hey! You stole our guns. Yeah, I did. Oh, hey! Oh. Life is short. Don't you get your dead? No! I'm gonna get it. Oh my God. What? Oh. Right now? Oh. Victory!
Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Wait, did you erase it?
Nah, he's on the ground still. Okay, so we're gonna clean everything up.
You're still on the ground?
Yeah, and he just, they both died. He was supposed to die, but he didn't want to. So, he died. So, come on, we're gonna go get the guns. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. So, we're gonna say bye at the same time, but we're gonna go after when we clean up, alright?
Bye!